Fire Pump Room. Welcome to our course on the Fire Pump Room. In this session, we will delve into the key components and functionalities of the fire pump room. This knowledge is crucial for effective firefighting design in hotel engineering. We will explore how each element contributes to maintaining fire safety standards. Let's begin our journey into understanding the fire pump room's critical role. Isometric representation of the fire pump room. A 3D representation of the fire pump room layout highlights the spatial arrangement of components. This visual reference is essential for understanding the room's design and practical application. It allows engineers and technicians to grasp how different elements interact with each other. Such visualizations assist in planning and optimizing the setup for efficiency. Having a clear layout helps in troubleshooting and maintenance activities. Comprehensive layout of the fire pump room. This slide presents a detailed layout of the fire pump room. It shows the precise positioning of pumps, controls, and associated equipment. Such layout planning is essential for installation processes and operational workflow. Understanding the arrangement ensures that all components function effectively. This comprehensive layout is vital for ensuring safety and compliance during operations. Duty-free pump, overview and functionality. The duty-free pump system is described as electric-driven and efficient. It is designed to be horizontally mounted for optimal space usage and performance. This pump provides the primary water supply for firefighting systems. Its reliability is critical, especially during fire emergencies when every second counts. Understanding its operation helps ensure that adequate water is available when needed most. Standby fire pump, importance and specifications. This slide provides an overview of the standby fire pump, which is diesel-driven for reliability. It is also horizontally mounted and activates automatically during power outages. The standby pump ensures continuous fire protection capabilities at all times. This redundancy is crucial for maintaining safety in critical situations. Understanding its specifications helps in proper installation and maintenance. Jockey pump, role in fire pump operations. The jockey pump plays a critical role in maintaining system pressure effectively. It operates automatically to prevent pressure drops within the fire protection system. By ensuring constant pressure, it keeps the entire system ready for action. This functionality is vital for the reliability of fire protection measures. Regular checks on the jockey pump ensure it operates smoothly when needed. Control systems for duty fire pumps. This slide discusses the control system for the duty fire pump. The control system monitors and regulates pump operation based on demand and conditions. It ensures efficient performance during emergencies by adapting to varying needs. These advanced systems provide real-time data to operators for informed decision-making. Understanding these controls enhances the effectiveness of firefighting strategies. Standby pump control mechanisms. Control mechanisms for the standby pump are essential for effective operation. They activate automatically when the duty pump fails or during power interruptions. This ensures that the fire protection system remains fully operational at all times. Such mechanisms are critical for maintaining system readiness and reliability. Regular testing of these controls is necessary to ensure they function when needed. Jockey pump control strategies. This slide details the control strategies specific to the jockey pump. These systems monitor pressure levels and activate the pump as necessary. By maintaining consistent pressure, they support the overall efficiency of the fire protection system. These strategies help to reduce wear and tear on the main pumps, extending their lifespan. Proper monitoring and control are essential for reliable fire safety operations. Drain line gate valve, function and design. The drain line gate valve allows for controlled drainage of the fire pump system. This functionality is vital for maintenance and operational efficiency. Proper design ensures that the valve can handle the flow of water without leaks. Controlled drainage procedures are essential for keeping the system clean. Regular inspections help maintain the integrity and functionality of the valve. Sensing line check valve, purpose and operation. The check valve in the sensing line prevents backflow effectively. It ensures proper water flow direction within the system at all times. This component is critical for maintaining system integrity and performance. By preventing backflow, it protects the pump and associated equipment from damage. Regular maintenance of this valve is crucial for reliable operation. OS&Y gate valve, key features and applications. This slide provides an overview of the OS&Y gate valve used for isolation and control. These valves provide a visual indication of valve status, enhancing operational safety. They are essential for maintenance procedures, allowing for safe isolation of sections. Understanding their applications helps in effective fire protection system design. Proper operation of OS&Y valves is crucial for overall system integrity. Main relief valve, function and importance. This slide details the main relief valve, which prevents overpressure situations. Set to a maximum adjustment of 200 psi, it safeguards the system from damage. Regular checks ensure that the valve functions properly under varying conditions. Maintaining this valve's integrity is critical for the safety of the fire pump setup. An effective relief valve contributes significantly to overall system reliability. Configuration of OS&Y gate valve for discharge and check valves. This slide describes the discharge check valve, which is essential for preventing backflow. It ensures that water flows in the correct direction during pump operation. Proper configuration of these valves is vital for system effectiveness. They help maintain pressure and prevent potential contamination in the system. Regular inspections support the reliable performance of discharge check valves. Waste cone, design and purpose. The waste cone directs wastewater during maintenance or system testing activities. This design helps manage excess water efficiently during pump operations. It ensures that the system remains clean and operationally effective. The waste cone also protects other components from potential damage due to water accumulation. Proper functioning of this component is essential for minimizing maintenance issues. Flow metering device, importance in water management. This slide explains the flow metering device that monitors the flow rate of water. It is essential for ensuring that the system meets performance standards and requirements. Accurate flow measurement is crucial for effective firefighting operations. These devices provide data that helps in assessing system efficiency and effectiveness. Regular calibration of flow meters is necessary for maintaining accuracy. OS&Y valve, overview and applications. Here we overview the balancing line OS&Y valve, which plays a key role in pressure management. These valves are used to balance pressure within the system, ensuring optimal performance. Maintaining consistent water supply is crucial for effective fire protection. Their reliable operation is essential for the overall functionality of fire safety measures. Regular maintenance checks help ensure these valves operate correctly. Gate valve for jockey pump, importance in system operations. The gate valve for the jockey pump allows for controlled isolation during maintenance. This isolation is important to ensure safe operations without affecting the overall system. It ensures that the jockey pump operates as needed to maintain pressure. Proper functionality of this valve is essential for the system's reliability. Regular inspections support optimal performance of the gate valve. Discharge check valve for jockey pump functionality. This slide discusses the discharge check valve for the jockey pump specifically. It prevents backflow and ensures effective operation of the jockey pump. Maintaining system pressure relies heavily on the proper functioning of this valve. This component is critical for the overall efficiency of the firefighting system. Regular monitoring helps ensure that the discharge check valve operates effectively. Concentric reducer, design applications. The concentric reducer connects different pipe diameters to maintain flow efficiency. This component is important for optimizing water flow in the system. It helps minimize pressure loss and enhances overall system performance. Effective design of the reducer is crucial for maintaining proper flow rates. Understanding its application supports reliable firefighting operations. Concentric increaser, role in fire pump systems. This slide describes the concentric increaser, which increases pipe diameter effectively. This adjustment is crucial for managing water flow within the system. Ensuring efficient system operation is vital for fire safety measures. The proper design of the concentric increaser supports overall functionality. It plays a key role in maintaining adequate water supply during emergencies. Vortex suppressor plate assembly, enhancing pump efficiency. The vortex suppressor plate assembly helps reduce vortex formation in tanks. By maintaining stable water levels and flow, it enhances pump efficiency. This component is important for preventing air from entering the system. Effective design ensures reliable water supply during firefighting operations. Regular maintenance of this assembly is crucial for optimal performance. Diesel fuel fill and return line configuration. This slide provides an overview of the diesel fuel fill and return lines. These lines are essential for supplying fuel to the diesel-driven fire pump. Ensuring the efficient operation of the standby pump is critical for fire safety. Proper configuration supports reliable fuel delivery and management. Regular checks on these lines help prevent potential leaks and issues. Pressure sensing line, benefits of stainless steel material. The pressure sensing line monitors pressure effectively within the fire pump system. Using stainless steel material enhances durability and provides accurate readings. This durability is vital for maintaining consistent system performance. Accurate pressure monitoring is key to effective fire protection measures. Regular inspections of the sensing line ensure reliable operation. Exhaust pipe, functionality and importance. The exhaust pipe directs exhaust gases away from the pump area efficiently. This functionality is critical for safety and compliance with regulations. Proper exhaust management ensures a safe working environment in the fire pump room. Maintaining this system is essential for operational safety and effectiveness. Regular checks prevent potential hazards associated with exhaust buildup. Alarm check valve, role in safety systems. Overview of the alarm check valve, which alerts operators of any flow issues. It detects leaks and helps maintain system integrity and safety. This component plays a critical role in firefighting operations and readiness. Regular testing of the alarm check valve is essential for reliable functionality. Proper operation of this valve contributes significantly to overall safety. Additional OS&Y gate valve, applications and importance. Additional details on the OS&Y gate valve highlight its importance for isolation. These valves provide safe maintenance procedures and repairs as needed. Visual indicators for valve status enhance operational safety and awareness. Proper operation of OS&Y valves is crucial for effective fire protection. Regular maintenance ensures that these valves function as intended during emergencies. Fire water tank, design considerations and capacity. This slide describes the fire water tank's role in storing water for firefighting. It ensures ready access to water during emergencies, which is vital for effective operations. Capacity considerations are crucial for ensuring adequate water supply. Proper tank design supports overall fire safety efforts and compliance. Regular inspections help maintain the tank's integrity and functionality. Diesel tank, specifications and requirements. Overview of the diesel tank's function in storing fuel for the standby pump. This tank is vital for ensuring that the pump operates during power outages. Specifications must meet safety and operational standards for reliability. Proper design supports reliable fire protection capabilities and efficiency. Regular checks are essential for maintaining the diesel tank's integrity. Control panel for fire pumps, overview and features. Further details on the control panel's features showcase manual and automatic control interfaces. These interfaces are essential for effective management of the fire pump room. Proper functionality ensures reliable pump operation and monitoring. An organized control panel enhances operational efficiency and safety. Regular training on using the control panel supports effective firefighting operations. Thank you. Thank you for participating in this course on the fire pump room. I hope you found the information valuable for understanding fire protection systems. Our next class will focus on wet risers, where we will explore further essential concepts in fire safety. We look forward to seeing you there.